अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स टू माय चैनल दुआ फातिमा। उम्मीद है आप सब दोस्त खैरियत के साथ होंगे। आज की वीडियो में मैं आप सबके साथ क्लास 11 की इंग्लिश बुक का लेसन नंबर 3 आप सबके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ और लेसन का नाम है डार्क दे वर एंड गोल्डन आई। The rocket metal cooled in the meadow winds. Its lid gave a bulging pop. From its clock interior stepped a man, a woman, and 3 children. The other passenger whirled away across the Martian meadow, leaving the man alone among his family. The man felt his hair flutter and the tissues of his body draw tight as if he were standing at the center of a vacuum. His wife before him seemed almost to whirl away in smoke. The children, small seeds, might at any instant be sown to all the Martian climes. The children looked up at him as people look to the sun to tell what time of their life it is. His face was cold. "What's wrong?" asked his wife. "Let's get back on the rocket. Go back to the earth." "Yes, listen." The wind below as if to flake away their identities at any moment. The Martian air might draw his soul from him, as marrow comes from a wild boon. He felt submerged in a chemical that could dissolve the intellect and burn away his past. They looked at the Martian hills that time had borne with a crushing pressure of years. They saw the old cities lost in their meadows, lying like cinder, delicate bones among the blowing legs of grass. "Chin up, Harry," said his wife. "It's too late. We have come over 60 miles." The children, with their yellow hair, hollered at the deep dome of the Martian sky. There were no answers but the racing hiss of wind through the stiff grass. He picked up the luggage in his cold hands. "Here we go," he said. A man standing on the edge of a sea, ready to wade in and be drowned. They walked into town. Their names were Beatrice, Harry and his wife, Cora, Dan, Laura, and David. They built a small white cottage and ate good breakfast there. But the fair was never gone. It lay with Mr. and Mrs. Beatrice, a third unbidden partner, at every midnight talk. At every dawn awakening, I feel like a salt crystal. He sat in mountain stream being washed away. "We don't belong here. We are Earth's people. This is Mars. It was meant for the Martian. For have not sake, Cora. Let's buy tickets for home." But she only shook her head. "One day the atom bomb will fix the earth. Then we'll be safe here." "Nonsense." Mr. Bittering looked out of the windows. "We are clean, decent people." He looked at his children. "All dead sites have some kinds of ghost in them. Memories, I mean." He stared at the hills. "You see a stairs and you wonder what the mountain look like climbing it. तो दोस्तों अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है तो लाइक ज़रूर करें और मेरे चैनल दुआ फातिमा को सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियोस आपको सबसे पहले देखने को मिल सके। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।